Good day guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking in Wix. So firstly, of course, let us go to Wix, to the official website. And in here guys, you're looking to access your dashboard. And of course, we need to go to the settings from here. So just go to the settings, make sure you have the account set up, of course, as well. And in here guys, unless you know where marketing settings are, you just in search type in marketing like that. You go to marketing integrations. This is, as you can see, where we'll be able to connect the marketing tools. So press on this. And in here, guys, we are looking for the very first option, which is Google Tag. As you can see, Google has introduced a unified tagging system. So we will have in here all of our stuff for marketing, analytics, ads, conversions, something that we are, of course, needing to enable, and everything else. And after that, you just press on connect. In here, you just set up your Google Tag ID, upgrade, of course, because you won't be able to use it if you don't have the premium. And then, of course, you will be able to add conversion tracking. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy to do. Enjoy, like and subscribe if the video helped, and I'll see you next time.